Hey everyone, Ahid here from We Pakistan. I'm excited to introduce you to the much-awaited tool that schedules Reels in bulk for Instagram. So let's get started. You will need this script to begin. I will leave the script details below in the description. First, let's upload these files to our hosting. You will need a domain, even a subdomain can work. Also, you will need simple web hosting. If you do not have hosting or a domain, I can provide and set up everything for you. Feel free to reach out to me. Upload the script zip file to the file manager. After the files are uploaded, extract them to the main public .html folder. The folder also contains a README file with instructions for you to follow. Now, let's edit the config.php file. You will need to obtain an access token and Instagram account ID from your Meta developer's account. Log in to your Meta developer account with your Facebook account. Head over to My Apps and create a new app. And select the Instagram account. Ensure the Instagram account is a business or creator account. Add an app name. It can be anything. Enter an email address and select the business portfolio that is connected to the Instagram account where you want the Reels to be published. Once the Facebook app is ready, you will need to make it live. But before making it live, you must add a privacy policy URL in the basic settings. After adding the privacy policy, make the app live, wait a few seconds, and then the app will be live. After the Facebook app is live, go to Tools and click on Graph API Explorer. Here, select the Meta app you just created. Here you will need to set these 8 permissions. Details are provided in the README file. Once you have added these permissions, click on Generate Access Token. It will prompt you to select the Facebook and Instagram page. When selecting the Instagram profile, make sure to copy the account ID. We will need this to add to the config.php file. The default generated access token will expire in a couple of hours. Let's extend this token to a couple of months. Hover over the icon and click on Open in Access Token tool. On this page, scroll to the bottom and click on Extend Access Token. It will give you a new token. Copy this token and save both the copied Instagram account ID and access token to a notepad. Now, paste both of these into config.php and save the file. Next, open the Uploads folder and upload your videos. I will add a sample video to show you. The video file name title will be used as the Instagram caption, so you can add text, emojis, and hashtags directly to your video file name. Once you have added the video to the Uploads folder, open the domain you are using. Every time you open the domain, it will directly publish one video from the Uploads folder, and the published video will automatically be deleted from the Uploads folder. Now let's check if the video is posted to Instagram. Hooray, it is posted. Next, let me show you how to schedule the reels even if you are sleeping. For this, we will use cron jobs. Go to the cron jobs tab on your hosting panel and use this curl command. Just type curl followed by your domain or subdomain. Set the interval. You can set it for every hour, twice an hour, or custom hours as well. Please note, Instagram allows only 25 reels per day, so set your schedule accordingly. After setting the cron job, everything will be done automatically. The videos will be posted even if you are sleeping or on vacation. You will just need to upload videos to the Uploads folder. That's it. If you're interested in purchasing this script, contact us using the details in the description. It costs only $50 and you can use it for a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe to We Pakistan so you don't miss any of our new videos.